centered. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. In today's video, I am going to use every product that I've received from Boxycharm to complete a whole face. And in order to do that, I went ahead and I pulled out all the things that I need from Boxycharm to do my face. I'm going to use the primer. I got this from Boxycharm. This is a whole Boxycharm video. Since I didn't get an eye primer from them, I'm going to use this primer all over my face. Primer is a primer as far as I'm concerned, so I am going to use it all over my face. This is a Boxycharm video, a full face of Boxycharm. I'm also going to be using the brushes that I've received from Boxycharm. I received two sets. This one with this, and then the Luna. This one is shading. My Boxycharm brushes. I did get a set from a friend, but it's pink. The Boxycharm one is a different color, as you can see. I did receive these eyeshadow sticks from Boxycharm, so I'm going to use them. These are the colors right here. It's a pull. This is the color. I'll use that as my base. Yeah, that can be used as a base. So I'm using this as a base. Next, I'm going to use the other one. This one is called JUVIA'S. And then from this palette, Cape Cosmetics, which I did get from them, which looks like this. I am going to take one of the flesh tone colors to put on top of this base. Okay, this base is a little white, it needs setting. If you'd like to see any makeup looks with the Cape Cosmetics palette, I have a playlist that I did looks with when I first received this palette. I'm going to take the darkest color in there and darken up right here in my outer corner. Now I'm going to use the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer that I did receive from Boxycharm. Again, Boxycharm foundation. This is the shade. They actually sent me the right shade, I think. This is the tint. As you can see, it looks very oily. But that's the tint on me. As you can hear in the background, there is a lot of noise. I am complete my look with using everything Boxycharm today, including lashes. The people are cleaning their roof next door. Ignore the noise, nothing we're gonna do. They came in the middle of my video, so I am done. I need to close this video out. This product I am using is from Boxycharm. It says it's to slick down the sides of the hair. So that's what I was demonstrating for you. I'd never used it before. I did that side already. So I'm doing this side. My hair is unruly, it doesn't stay down. Even though I put gel, it will eventually curl itself back up. But so far, I like it. It feels nice, it's very light, it's moisturizing. So I use this. I also use this palette as blush and highlighter. For eyeshadow, I went in with the eyeshadow stick, which is this color. I used the base, which is this color. And I went into the Cape Cosmetics palette, which I also got from Boxycharm, and I used this color and this color over my eyes. And I have my lashes. The lip pencil is also by Boxycharm. That's it. And the lip color is also by Boxycharm. So it's all Boxycharm today. So I put this and this together. The colors are pretty. It's very nice. Then in my brow bone, I took this pencil from Boxycharm and I took the highlighter side and I put it in my brow bone. There is also a base on this side, which is one is shimmer, one is plain. And I showed you, I used the bronzer, I used the tinted moisturizer, I used the primer. The brow pencil, I like this. This is nice. I'm gonna see if I can get some more. That is nice. This is the brow pencil. And I also use it in the lower lash line. And then I took the glue that they sent me to glue those lashes down. I'm not a lash person, but this feels like I have nothing on. I am telling you, I'm like, wow, it just makes my face a whole different thing. This is all the Boxycharm products that I use today. These are all the Boxycharms that I use today. And I use that to create a complete face. The products are nice, I must say. I like this brow pencil very much. That lip liner is like, it just glides on. Ignore the noise, they are working outside. Today's word is light. L-I-G-H-T, light. Put some light within. If you take the light from within, it will also shine on the outside. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. Full face Boxycharm makeup. It is nice, I am telling you. Gorgeous. I'll have to use those lashes again because those lashes are pretty light. I don't feel like I have them, so I will use them again until I can't use them no more. But for now, I, Simply You Makeup, is saying bye. See you soon. I am having fun in this new location. If you're enjoying the videos, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, give me feedback, because I am having fun creating in this space, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're having fun. I hope I bring a little bit of light to you.